Hurricane Milton 2024 backyard. Oh, the banana's still there. Okay guys, this is Hurricane Milton, the backyard. And look at our bananas. There's 1, 2, and 3 over there. Ooh, look at the wind. Our papaya over there. One more in the back. Yeah, where is it?
Nó còn nằm dưới thoát nguy rồi, đi thoát về hồi khối đâm, thêm mười được cho ai bằng một đòn. Chơi còn đâu, đam hay còn đâu cũng có. Cho khăn mưa, cho phải là lớn muốn bạn đâm thì không mua là không có đâu. Không.
Wow. Sweeping in the hurricane. Hurricane Milton, October 9, 2024, everybody. More banana over there. 1, 2, 3. Another banana over there. Papaya tree. Okay, so now it is, what time is it? About 5:15, and look at how filled with water the lake is right now. Wow. The waves though, there's waves inside of the lake because of the wind. Cho lụa bọn nó không tách nó bị ra kia. Hi. Hope so then continue one a little bit more stronger than earlier. And you can see a little bit of flooding right here in the back where the grass is. Emily dancing! Ooh, Emily dancing! Yay!
My wood broke. See the wood right there?
Oh.
It's kind of this way. That part of the wood broke.
Oh.
But it's still holding on though.
Oh, I see. You have the yellow one or the right
Yeah,
there?
yeah, this one here. This one here.
Right here.
This will go this way. Go that way.
Yep.
That way.
Wow.
That one broke off.
Oh, my baby tree's still holding on.
Oh, papaya's going this way.
Oh, it's going to the left.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Is there any fruit still on there?
Oh, damn. Only one
Only
left.
one left.
It's
Oh my
fell.
gosh.
Oh, it's on the bottom.
Oh my god.
It's on the bottom.
Oh, it's on the bottom.
Papaya.
Wow.
Papaya at the bottom.
Fire fell on the bottom.
Wow.
Papaya at the bottom.
Papaya falls to the
Yeah,
bottom.
maybe.
You guys, right now it's actually windy in here, but it's like not really like raining, but it's like just wind. Wow.
Oh man, the banana. The banana right there.
What happened? Oh, the banana's still there. Oh.
But it's pencil.
It is, yeah.
Pencil.
Hi everybody, it is October 10th. Ooh, and then you saw a bird?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at it over there.
Oh, nó to mùi.
Wow. It's beautiful.
Cà phê.
Okay.
Bắt hả?
Check it out. Hi, Pa. This is the day after the hurricane.
Wait, after the hurricane đi.
After the hurricane.
Oh,
Our papaya, only
papaya
one
nó sao là mùi.
survived. And không có
Được
no.
đám chênh. Đuôi là đám chênh.
Ooh.
Banana trade hả?
Okay. And everything else looks alright. Oh! Banana tree is bending a bit. Oh. Okay. Where's the other one? Oh, no. Oh! Yep, the one in the back over there. Over there in the back. That one is bent too. No, right there. No. Over there. Emily! Oh! Hurricane Milton came like roar. Man, the weather is so nice. It feels like California. It's like not one bit of humidity. Ooh. Hi, Emily. Bye, Emily. You mau ka na? Sambat dong moy. Oh, bless you. Sambat dong moy. Okay, this is after the hurricane. Ma is making the papaya salad. Oh, so yummy. Okay, dam lahong. Dam lahong. Those papayas are the ones that fell from yesterday, Hurricane Milton. Oh, you see a butterfly? Wow. Good job, Emily. You're making papaya salad at 3 years old. Emily making papaya salad. Okay, Emily. And now you can bok lahong. Go ahead. Wow. Good job. You see it? You see it? Yeah. Bok lahong, bok lahong.
He's silent.
Bok lahong, bok lahong. Flashlight one hand, bok lahong one hand. Emily, professional. Wow, Emily. Papaya salad. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Wait, squeeze, squeeze. Wow, Emily making papaya salad. Outdoors cooking fried chicken. Not marinated the chicken. Oh my goodness. Pa, what are you doing?
Oh, now fried chicken.
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken now.
Emily say subscribe. Ooh, cute, no? It's like you're cooking fried chicken. Pa, how's the papaya salad?
Oh, good.
Good, good. Wow. Is it almost done yet? Almost cooked? Almost. Wow. Wow, nice and crispy. Chicken is nice and crispy. Alright, more chicken. Cooking outdoors. Oh, in the backyard. Wow. More chicken, Pa?
Yeah, more chicken.
More chicken.
More chicken.
Too hot. Hot chicken. Wait for it to cool down first. Emily says she wants to sit down. Go na pala, Lisa. And watch the chicken. Emily love chicken?
Bubble.
Bubble. Okay, the bed down. Bed, oh, do I just bed down?